How to redeem DHgate promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in DHgate promo code. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo code for DHgate. Here you will find different website option. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. In this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for DHgate. Just scroll down and check out the offers: $60 off, $40 off, 60% off, and many more. You can hit towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. After you get the code, make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at DHgate. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you will find this section of codes. Over there, you have to paste this copied code and then confirm your purchase. With that, you will get the discount. This way, you can easily redeem DHgate promo code. You can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for DHgate. You just have to apply the same process to redeem any of the code. Well, this way you can easily redeem DHgate promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.